So welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get $1,000 account for free without spending anything. And remember, this account is a demo account that you are going to claim for your trading journey. Okay, so if that interests you, make sure you stick to this video to the end to understand every step involved in order to claim this $1,000 account. And it's a stimulated capital, as I said. So you have to trade and meet the requirement by the pro firm before you can be rewarded. Without meeting the recommended uh, target, you are not going to be rewarded. So this is a Kubera market, and they provide $1,000 account to start trading. So how do you go about this? So we must know about the target set by the broker. Okay, so to do that, let's just click on start here, and then I think we should read about the conditions first. Okay, and then from there we can register to claim this account. So let's go with the condition. There's a pass them profit at Kubera Market. We are committed to empowering every retail trader by giving everyone the same uh, opportunity to succeed. You don't pay to start. You don't pay to pass. You don't pay to get funded. Okay. So these are what they said. At Kubera Market, we are doing what others don't. Okay. So funding traders with zero cost and zero risk to their fund. Okay. So how it works. You just register by clicking zero fee, pass the evaluation by reaching an 8% profit target, and then instant graduate to a fully funded 1,000 trading account free. Participants participate in a 50% profit share. So you are going to share the profit 50-50 with a chance to scale to large accounts. Okay, so you can scale to large accounts later when you're on the funded account. Our evaluation use minimal rules so you can focus on what matters, your performance once you pass. Okay, so you get funded with no fee, just generous 50% profit share. So how do you register? Let's look at the targets. Okay, so their profit target for the evaluation is 8% and funded to 8%. So we have drawdown limit, which is static, meaning it's set to that percentage, which is 4% for both evaluation and funded. Minimum trading days, there are no minimum trading days required. And then time limit is 30 days. You have been given 30 days to pass the account. And when you are funded, there is no limit on the account. Hold position, okay, on or weekend. So weekend holding is allowed. And then news trading is also allowed for both accounts. All trading strategies accepted. Okay. So meaning you can go with every trading strategy you have. Profit split is 50%. Payout on demand. So anytime you need payout, it's there for you. So these are the table you have to check as well. Remember, everything on this page is publicly available on the internet to do research on. So I recommend you do your own research before engaging with them and even start doing registration with them. So these are the accounts and the levels you can scale through. Okay. So you can scale up to 5,359 funded. Okay. And the percentage remain the same. The drawdown and the profit share remained the same. Okay, so let's now go and see how we can claim. So to do that, just click on the zero fee, $1,000 zero fee, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you have to do your registration right here. So you can see sign up for challenge. So I'll just input my details right here. So I'll do this in a pause, okay, for security reasons. So after I input everything, I'll click on submit application, okay? So guys, take notes of this. It's not every country that is accepted. So unfortunately for me, my country of residence is not part. So when you read this page that you have to register, make sure you check the country side, which is here. Click here and go through the countries. Okay. So let me just go through for you to see. I'm from Ghana. So I'll check to see if Ghana is part. So I earlier checked Ghana is not part. Okay. So these are the G column. Okay, we have Georgia, Germany. Assuming Ghana is part, Ghana should be under Germany. That is how it's always go right here. So when you go to uh the next country, you can see Greece, Greeceland, Canada, and a lot are here, but Ghana is not part. Okay, you can see Canada, Guam, a lot are here. So the gene column has finished. So mini Ghana is not part. So let me know if your country is part and you are able to claim this. So let me check for my Nigeria uh followers to see if we have Nigeria as part here. So Nigeria to let's check is Niger, Niger. Okay, Nigeria is part. Here is Nigeria. So my Nigeria people, you are lucky. You are part of this. You can claim it for free. So let me know if you are able to claim at the comment section. That will encourage other people to also register and get this. So guys, see you in my next update tomorrow. I love you all and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching on my channel. Goodbye.